Hey, my name is Federico Verswyel and I go to Master Academy and I'm in 12th grade. For me, like when I started studying for the SAT, like I found it hard like studying myself, like not having like a right path on like where to go for math. And like even though I was still getting like a good score, I wanted to get a better score with like a good study program. And like after a lot of people told me, I think piece of pie was like what I had to do. I had a tutor but like in the beginning of the year and but I didn't really go well for me. So I just started studying myself using Khan Academy and the question bank. And that went better, but like it was still like I didn't have like an organized path. I was just like studying. I don't know. Yeah, for me it was one of my strongest subjects. It was just that I would sometimes miss the hard question. I would always miss like one in the easy module, and then that would like get my score a little down. Like my score would always be like 700, 700. I would always get 700. Cause like I knew that I could do better, like cause I'm really good at math and like I just needed a like the right study program to get those questions correct. I think it was like when I would get certain type of questions, I would get to them and I wouldn't know how to do the first step. But if I had known the first step, the rest of the question was easy. Probably the fact that you get a lot of homework and the meetings are 4 hours. That was like my first concern, but like once I started doing it, I got used to it. The classes were long, but like the first class, obviously, like I wasn't used to it, so it was long. But I really felt like I was engaged, like question after question, I understood, and it was hard questions too. And yeah, I think it was good. And it
Yeah.
was if it was short, then like you would like I don't know, it wouldn't be as like meaningful. But like since it's long, I feel like it was more meaningful. Like in the beginning, I was worried that it was gonna be like a group with like a lot of people, but and like when I first joined the meeting, I saw there was like a bunch of people. Like I didn't know they were gonna put us in groups. And then they put us in groups, and it was just like 3 or 4 people. I felt more comfortable because like I was able to answer questions, and like the tutor was like, yeah, like the tutor was like notice, like he or she would notice like who would get it wrong and like give a good explanation. During school, like when it would be virtual, people would tend to like not pay attention because like it wasn't that meaningful to them. A lot sometimes people, and then but this is like meaningful to people. Yeah, yeah. The tutors always gave like good explanations, and yeah, they were like talkative, like they weren't shy or anything. Like they had personality, and yeah, they were pretty nice.
Yeah.
They would always like explain you everything perfectly. They would always have a good pace in the meetings, and yeah, I really liked it. Like the explanations were always good. The workload, yeah, like for me, the workload got easier, like to do everything after after testing ended, because like there was a week where I like b barely did any of the work because I had 3 AP tests that week. So after I finished all testing, the workload was like pretty simple. It was just I would just after school or during school I would also work on it. It's doable. Like it wasn't nothing impossible. For me, it was just like seeing the SAT requirements of the schools that I want to go to and seeing that my friends were also getting good scores. I just wanted to show that I could also get a good score. I think the service that you guys provide is really good because you guys pay attention to to whoever's doing the course, and it's not like they're not gonna like notice you of like you're missing something or you still haven't done anything. And yeah, they were always like on you, like like texting you in the chat like your homework and stuff. And now I like that because I like that they like tell me what to do, so I can do the homework and stuff. I think something like watching a video while doing the homeworks that helped me a lot. And also the fact like that each of like the packets of of like questions that were hard, of the specific topic, it had like a video that you could watch if you didn't understand it. That was pretty helpful. Then like in the meetings too, like just doing a bunch of questions that also helped me a lot. Like it wasn't just like a lecture that got boring. Like it would be like question after question. When you learn each topic one by one well, like from the beginning, starting easy, I think that's what like got me to recognize each question and know where to start or like yeah, like just know how to do the question better. 790. That was my final score. My last score since I started Piece of Pie was 700. It was like a stress reliever because like I was always stressing about that. Because for me that my English is always it's what's putting me down. And so I was like hoping that my math would be my like only hope to get my score up. And like after all the work, it did. So it was like a stress reliever. Yeah, I think like after all that, like it is worth it because you unlock like for example in Florida, you get bright futures that's 100%. So you don't have to pay for college. So that's like college if you like didn't get a good score, it would be a lot more expensive. Like I would recommend it like a 9 is not that like I would recommend it a 10, but I recommend it like in this I don't know how to explain it, but like a 9 too because it's not for certain type of people. Like some people aren't able to do it because like they like wouldn't do the work. But like if people are willing to do the work, I 10 out of 10 recommend it. I think like many students like worry that it's gonna take all of their time, like they're not gonna be able to be with their friends, not gonna like let's say they have a class at 9 in the morning on a Sunday, they're not gonna be able to do anything anything on Saturday in the night with their friends. But like it's like it's really not that. Like you can if you have something important Saturday night that you really want to go to, you just text in the group chat and you just move your class to Wednesday, which like well it was what I did and like I never like it never inflicted like me doing stuff with my friends and having a good time in the weekend. That's something that I liked.